Hello, good morning. We are on the third day of Martin Stack teaching and Martin Stack learning. Today, today we will see the chapter 3, integrating MongoDB to Express application. As you see, as you do like previous, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and share. If you have any comments, if you have any question, just write a comment below. Uh, let's start our today's topic. Okay, this integration is the Express application. The Express MongoDB application is used to send. The Express sends a connection request from Express application to the MongoDB cluster. We will see this one. Chapter 1 and chapter 2 already we have seen before. Now let's finish, and today we will have a very detailed practical. Let's go, and we will see also the code. Second, the best action today we will do here is we will see connecting to MongoDB cluster. Connecting to MongoDB cluster, not MongoDB cluster. So MongoDB cluster, npmi MongoDB, install MongoDB cluster package. So we install npmi or npm install MongoDB. You will see the first one is we will do the first one is creating a library, a lib slash dbconnects.js inside the root folder. Next, import modules, Mongo client and server API version are imported from MongoDB package. The next one is client. We bring client and also client and supervision. .nbc is important to read the .env files. Next, we will .env.config read the .env file and makes the variable available in the process. And the last, and then validating the environment variable. We should also check the variables. The variable MongoDB connection URI means the MongoDB connection, and DB means the database name. Don't forget this one, especially. Don't forget, we will see one by one. We will see this one. Don't forget also this one. So, okay. Next, okay. Next, uh, creating the MongoDB client instance. After doing the activities, we will create a MongoDB instance, a new MongoDB client instance created with a connection string UI, with a connection string UI, and the configuration files. Files. The last, then also connect to the database. We will also connect these functions. We use an asynchronous function that connects the MongoDB server using a client.connect. We use to connect a MongoDB database. To connect a MongoDB database, we use to connect MongoDB database. We use a function connected. We use a function. We connect. Once we connect, we use a ping function, a ping command to verify that the connection is successful. Last one, once we finished, we should tank send shutdown by using the sign-in signal. Next, okay. Next, After connecting, we will see different steps that we will see later. Anyway, it's so highlight, but we will repeat this one. To get, we use this URI. We use this URI. To get this URI, you need to go back to MongoDB Atlas. After doing all this, we doing overview page. We use connect. After connecting, we use these drivers to connect. This is choose the driver. There are different multiple connection methods. Drivers, compass, shell, MongoDB drivers. It is this all these are different connection methods. The first one is okay. There are different connection methods. There are different connection methods. Here Atlas, here MongoDB in VS Code, here shell, this one MongoDB class. But we use today for our code. We use this one. We will select this one. This one is the best we will use for today. We will use the driver connect. But we will see practically. We will see practically in VS Code. After getting we get connection string, we will copy the code into the file, and we will copy this one. Now let's go back. Let's go back. Let's go back and connect and create this code, this library. Connect this one. We want this one. Let's copy. Last time we were doing this package. We were doing this package. First, okay, we were doing this package. Let's check it. Let's check it. Node more start. Yeah, our code is working. Our code is working. Is connected. It is connected. Let's check the server also. Let's check the server on browser. On browser, let's check it. Localhost. Localhost 3000. Working. This message comes. Yeah. Our code is working. We put this JSON code. JSON response. So let's go back and continue our work. First of all, don't forget to install. Let's stop and doing this. Let's to stop the terminal. Hold control on your window, then control C. Press it, then clear. First of all, don't forget to install. We use these codes. We will use these codes. Don't forget install this because we want our Express already we have before. Let's install npm install npm bcrypt dot env express, and finally mongodb already I have, so you have to pass and wait some time. In my case it is already I have. So now we will create another file inside the root folder, inside the server. Inside the server, we will create a root folder. What about the folder? The folder, this one, as Okay, let's take it. Let's create our good folder. This one. Let's take it. Inside the server, inside the root folder, right click, then use new file. Inside the new file, we can copy paste this one. We will paste. Now we can write our codes, our database codes. The first one is always to import the necessary modules. The first one is to import the necessary modules. What are the necessary modules inside the DB folder? Import. The first one is Mongo client. Mongo, Mongo client. We can select from here. This one, Mongo client. Okay, it imports from MongoDB database or MongoDB package. The next ones we should add also so server API version. Yeah, select the first one, server API version. Yeah, load package, load packages. Next, next, import loading, import dot env. Select the first one. Okay. Sometimes instance dot env then we should write config to read this file. We use we we should also import. Yeah, we should also use .env config to read the config file. We use this code. The next one is what about the next one is load environment variables. Load load environment in environment variables. Load environment variables. What are they? Const db URL, db URI, which calls process dot env dot env dot mongo URI, mongo mongo mongodb URI. Okay. The next one is the next one is you can just see these are the environment variables. After this, check these variables. After this, check. Okay, check the environment variables. Environment variables. Yeah. If db URI, okay. Check We can check one by one, but let's check for now. One checkup is enough. If DB URL, if DB URL is not present, if it's not present, console log, console log, error. The next one is we have to check. We have to check if if DB name. We have to if DB name. If not, if there is no DB name, if we have no DB name, this one we can take this name. If we have no DB name in our code, we can use the same console log. DB name is not defined. Yeah. If we don't have DB URL, we can use the DB. MongoDB is not defined. If we have not DB name, MongoDB is not DB is not defined. The first one is MongoDB. The second one is MongoDB name. With code. Okay. What about the next? What about the next? The next one is create a new MongoDB instance. After checking, we have to create a MongoDB instance. Create a MongoDB instance. DB instance. To create a MongoDB instance, we use a const, a MongoDB instance, const client, then new as new MongoDB URL, new MongoDB URL with server API. Server we use the second one. Then we use colon, then we open the brace. Inside the brace, inside version API. Yeah, it's correct. The server API version dot v1. And next, we also follow a strict rule. We have strict some braces missing. Yeah, now it is correct. We have some. Yeah, now it is correct. Strict supervision, strict rule, strict rule. After strict rule, deprecation error is true. Deprecation. deprecation, okay, deprecation errors. Two, deprecation error. Still, we have comma, we have comma. What about use? What about we created a server instance, then set MongoDB server version. This one is for stability with specific API features. This one is for stability. Stability. For stability with API features. For stability. Okay. This one is strict mode, enable strict mode install. And the last one is deprecation, warning outdated, remove, warning outdated is warning changes for outdated features in MongoDB. Okay. Uh, after after doing these operations, we use async functions to connect to the database. Now, now async functions to connect with the database. Async functions to connect with database. Okay. Async functions. Async functions. We'll use try catch. Async functions. We'll use try catch function. Try catch function. Inside the try catch function, inside the try catch function, await client connect. About this, we can write here what can is await dot client is used to connect the MongoDB database. This is used to connect the MongoDB client to the database. This await dot connect connect the okay, so connect this MongoDB client. We can copy connect MongoDB use the MongoDB database. Yeah, we use this one. After connecting, after one is connected, one is connected, one is connected, one is connected, checks there, one is connected, send a ping command, send a ping command to verify the connection is successful. Yeah, once so we will use a ping command. We will use it await after await while we will use a db command. We will use client.db select this db client.db. Then we use the database name. Here we operate this one. We use this database name. This one, this name. which because it is a database name, we will use this one. Then this one, DB name. Select the first one, database name, dot command, dot command, dot command, open bracket, open also curly brace, then ping one. Yeah, this is used to connect. This is used to verify the connection is successful. After this one, we can console CLG connected connected to the database console. We should see a message if successful. If the above work is successful, we should see databases connected successfully. Databases connected successfully. If not connected, if the connection is failed, we can also add this one. Return connected. With return claim dot db return claim dot db claim dot. Okay, this must use okay. Then we should write db client database. Return with client database. It will return client database with the interaction specified the connection. After now, if not connected, if the connection is not successful, connected console log error must bring console log to the database with a message. Console log error. Now already complete. Now good. Okay, after completing, we should shut down or close our database. After successful use our data, we must close our database. To close the database, we use another code, another functions. So one is process dot on. We use on entity. Process dot on is we use sign in. We use sign int. Sorry, sign. That's okay. We should a signal. It must listen a signal. Sig int, and also we use a callback function. But our callback functions are async function with also an arrow function inside it. can have a function inside it. Okay, listen for the signal. Signal. Await, close. Okay, console log shut down successfully. Mm, before this, we must use the listen for signal. Listen for signal int. Listen for signal. Listen. Listen for signal. Signal. Okay, signal then console log clg MongoDB closed. MongoDB then shutting down gracefully. Can say that shutting down gracefully. If not, but if not close down, if not complete, await cleaned. Await cleaned close. It must the cleaned will close the MongoDB connection. Close the MongoDB. Close. We use this one. We close this connection. Okay. We will close the connection because we already completed. What about the next step? The next step after the closing, we must see some message. We must see some message. So CLG MongoDB claimed closed. MongoDB claimed closed. Closed MongoDB claimed closed. Then the process stops. Process not exit. The process will be exit with 0. Okay. Now after completing, to use this code in other codes, to use this code into our main function, we have to export this function. So we use export here. This function must be export this function please to another function. Okay, let's go back to upload.js. To use this function, we have to import because we export from database connection. So we have to import to the main server. How already we install the packages, we can import. First import .env .env. Okay, import .env from .env. Second, we have to import connect to database. Connect to database. Connect to database. From where? from this db.js slash dot slash from library dot db connect. Now we could db connect database. After this already we have to write a connection function. Our aim is to write a connection function. Okay. What to use after this? We have to use this .config dot env dot config. Here we have to directly use connect function. We have already write connect function. Already we have a .env, a dot environment file. We want to complete this code. So this must be right. Process dot port dot env dot port port port. This is or this one. Vertex right shift. This is to use pause code. After writing this port, after writing this port, we have to write async function. We have to write async function. Async arrow function. Yeah, already I got async arrow function. Async. Okay, let's jump it. Async function async function. Our function, and also we have to add function initialize server. In our function is initialize server. We write this function initialize server. Initialize server. Then already we import this function. We use inside the async function. Inside the async function, we will write a try catch function. The try catch is also, if it is successful, we will get a good result, the actual result. If it is not successful, or if there is error, it handles the error. So our code, it protects our code from failing down. It will handle our errors. So we use a try catch. Inside the try catch, we use this code, this database. This database is bring from this code, from this database connection. Now let us write our try catch function. Const db which equals await const db await which equals db dot, we use this one, connect this one, connect to database connect database function. Okay, const db. Okay, const db which calls also not const db which calls await db dot connection db dot not db dot const db await connection. After this, after this, we can bring the down codes. We can bring this codes. We can bring all these codes, cut and paste here, and paste inside the package function. Now, okay, inside the error, we can write inside the error, fail to initialize. Yeah, inside the error, we can write here, fail to initialize database. Yeah, fail to initialize database. Yeah, already we are on counting now. Initialize, initialize the server, initialize the server. We will call our function. Already we have a function. We call this function. Now already almost we are completing our this. A we also have another built-in code. The remaining is a built-in code inside the server. Inside the server, we will also create .env code. Dot .env. This code is used to secret our codes. This code is to secure our privacy to protect with others. Because our code is online world may be attacked. May be attacked to protect that our security. We will write here a .env file. So to write a .env file will bring our DB name, Mongo URI and database, MongoDB database. Already we have this one. We have we will took these two names. We will only okay, let's take the down. Copy paste here, and the next one is DB. We will took DB name. We will took we will took MongoDB database. MongoDB. By the way, we can use this one is a MongoDB database. MongoDB name. By the way, this one is database. Database. MongoDB database. So look here. Now Which, how do you know this one? The next step is we will bring this UI in this one. Let's go. How do we it? How do we do again together? Okay, let's see our code. We use connect in our function. We use connect. Connect. After connect, we will get to select drives. Drive. After drive, we will get this here a code. We will get a code here. As you see, this told us when you get this code, when you this kid, don't forget to stop this text. We will get a connection string URI to be copied into NV file. And file must be created inside the root folder. Okay, let's go out with this one by one. And uh, let's go here. Let's go here. We got this one, but let's do once. In our previous code, we have this code. So we should click into our cluster, click cluster. Then we should select this one, drive. We should select this one, select this one, select this one. We put what to do. So our code is so we have to do click connect. After connect, click our driver first. After that, we should go down. We should go down and copy this code. Copy this code. Copy this code. Copy this code. I copied here. I'm copied here. Copy. After copying, I will put here. After copy, I will put in the URL page. Okay, I forgot the password. I forgot the password. I forgot the password. So what I should do? I forgot the password. So what I should do if you are also forget like select go the database access. Go here database access. Database access. Click the database access. After that, go edit section. Go edit this. Click this edit section. Edit section. Then password. We will put password. We will put this password. After that, go down. Edit this password. Edit password. Our step is this one. Edit password. And also finally, okay. Now let me edit password. Edit password. Auto generate. Auto generate. And to see my code show. Then copy. I can copy from here. Then finally, after copying this code, finally, we don't forget to update our user. Don't forget. Don't forget to update user. update user. Yeah, now already updates. So let's come back our code. Now we see this one, our code, this one. Substitute this, remove this one, then you copy paste your code. We remove this one, remove, then paste our code. What about the next? We can give any name for MongoDB, for Mongo name. This is our database name. For example, I say training database. This database name. Now we have completed our code successfully. Now we have completed our code successfully. We have also environment file. We have also environment file successfully. We have subs username. We have this password, and we have also the DB connect code. We have this DB connect code. Now let's check. Now let's check this one as our approaches. We already have this. We use node because we already set up this one last time. So now we can test node mode start. Node mode start. So great. Our code is working. Our code is working. So today we did up here. We did up here. We connect our DB. Next time we will do the setting data to MongoDB. We will connect our MongoDB database, and we will use some data, and we will test our data, and we will also test. We will have major things. So next time we will meet next time. Don't forget my channel, and also we will start. Next time we will see this one, this connection. After this connection, we will also check this one. After completing this, we will start our chapters 3, creating the API router and control. For today, it is enough. Thank you so much for listening. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. But don't forget, please make sure we will do this code. We will check on the MongoDB, and if you pass, if you have any questions, please make sure to write a comment below my channel. I will respond as soon as possible, and you can also join my live Zoom meeting. Thank you so much. Great.